The Ford Mustang Classic 1964 is more than just a car, it's a time machine on four wheels. But here's the shocking question: what hidden secret inside this very first Mustang nearly caused Ford to cancel the project before it even hit dealerships? Stick with me, because by the end of this review, I'll reveal the unbelievable truth that changes the way you'll ever look at this legend again. And here's a teaser: within the first week of launch, the Mustang sold so fast that Ford literally ran out of brochures before they ran out of cars. At first glance, the exterior just grabs you. That long, sculpted hood, the aggressive stance, and the galloping pony badge on the grille, it's like staring at the birth certificate of American muscle. The chrome trim gleams like jewelry in the sunlight, and those fastback lines whisper speed even when it's parked. Walk around it and the proportions are just perfect. Clean, lean, not over-designed. But if the outside already feels like a movie star, wait until you step inside. Slide into the cabin and suddenly it's 1964 again. Thin-rimmed steering wheel, chrome accents, those twin-cowl dashboards that look like aircraft gauges, every detail screams mid-60s cool. The seats aren't wrapped in techie memory foam, but they cradle you with a raw, analog comfort. It's intimate, almost cinematic, like you're about to drive through a scene in Bullet. And yet, buried inside this vintage vibe is one piece of design that feels surprisingly futuristic for its era. Curious? Let's dive into that. Back in '64, most cars were bare bones, but the Mustang slipped in features that felt ahead of their time. You could get air conditioning, a push-button radio, even a rally pack tachometer mounted right on the steering column, race-inspired tech in a family coupe. That blew people's minds. Quick question: do you prefer cars stuffed with futuristic screens like a Tesla Model 3, or do you secretly love the simplicity of old-school dials like this? Drop a comment, I really want to know which side you're on. And then comes performance. Pop the hood and depending on trim, you got anything from a humble straight-six making around 101 horsepower, up to a roaring V8 pushing 271 horses. Doesn't sound huge by today's standards, but when that V8 fires up, it's not numbers, it's a symphony. 0 to 60 in around 7 seconds back in the day, which was smoking fast for a family car. It handled like a wild horse, raw, alive, always asking you to take the long way home. And fuel economy? Expect around 15 to 20 miles per gallon, which honestly isn't bad for something this iconic. But here's where it gets crazy: the Mustang's most shocking hidden truth isn't about speed at all. Safety and comfort weren't afterthoughts here. Ford quietly slipped in innovations like a padded dash and deep dish steering wheel to reduce injuries, subtle details that made families feel safer. And here's the big reveal: early prototypes of the Mustang were originally planned as a mid-engine, two-seat roadster. Imagine that, the Mustang almost launched as a tiny European-style sports car. If Ford hadn't pivoted, the world might never have known the Mustang as the four-seat, affordable performance car that became a cultural earthquake. That decision literally changed automotive history. Now picture this: you're driving downtown on date night, the windows down, the V8 burbling under the lights. Or it's Sunday morning, and your kids pile into the back seat for a family cruise, their faces lit up by that endless hood stretching forward. The car isn't just transport, it's a memory-making machine. The kind that makes you feel more alive just by holding the wheel. This isn't just a car, it's a heartbeat on wheels. So here's the verdict. The 1964 Mustang isn't flawless, it's noisy, not exactly luxurious, and modern cars like a BMW 3 Series or even a Honda Accord would demolish it in comfort or efficiency. But that's not the point. The point is soul. Do you buy one for the heritage, the sound, the story, or do you skip it because nostalgia isn't enough? I'll let you decide. But if this Mustang pulled you in like it did me, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more car stories that go beyond the numbers.